Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Adam Unpacked. I haven't been posting too regularly as I've been super busy with house renovations here, but today we're going on a cool hike, local hike, not far from the Naramata village. Adra Tunnel, not sure how you pronounce it, but built in 1913. It's actually the longest tunnel on the Kettle Valley Railroad system. I think it measures around 487 meters, somewhere around there. Yeah, so we just drove up the road, we parked, and now we're gonna do a quick probably 5-10 minute hike up to the tunnel. Let's go check it out. As always, I will leave a link in the description on where you can find this place, but definitely a sight to be seen. It's recently been restored as well and reopened to the public after being closed for a little bit. So let's go have a gander and check it out. Yeah, there's the Forest Service Road, so you can drive up. There's a staging area. I don't know, where you can, grab your dirt bike or quad. So people do that. I think in the wintertime you might be able to sled up here as well. And if nothing else, you just park at the staging area and hoof it by foot or mountain bike. It's not that far up here, but apparently it's a site worth checking out. This is my first time visiting this area, so let's go have a look. What do you think? Pretty good grade up here, actually. Hey? Beautiful area. Well, there's a sign for it here, so I think we are going in the right direction. I'm gonna take a shortcut trail up this dirt bike path here. Can't be that far now. Well, looks like we're approaching something here, so looks like you could actually quad all the way up here and dirt bike. And then here they have it closed off. Kettle Valley Rail Trail. Yeah, you can actually still bring quads on here. So you can hike, you can ride your bike, e-bike, horses, dirt bike, and quad still. How cool is that? I think that's super cool that they've actually left this open for all users versus just pedestrian traffic. Let everybody enjoy their different hobbies. But I don't know, hopefully we're going in the right direction. Can't be that far. Okay, we're coming to another staging area here. I see signs for the Adra Tunnel. It's got to be right around this corner. Park hours are 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. No motorbikes and no ATVs from here on out. So here we go, guys. I wasn't too far off. This tunnel was constructed largely by hand back in 1913 through 1914 as part of the Kettle Valley Railway under the direction of Chief Engineer Andrew McCulloch. Reopening of Adra for public access has been made possible through the volunteer efforts of Woodwhackers 2.0 and with the support of many generous donors. The tunnel is 483 meters long with a semicircular 150-degree shape. Very cool. I think. Yeah. So guys, apparently cell phone lights will not be enough to actually walk through here. So we're gonna check it out. This is kind of an impromptu hike. We've got an event in Penticton we have to attend, so we're a little pressed for time, but nonetheless, we're gonna get eyes on it. As I say that, here it is. That's super cool. I can't believe it's over 400 meters deep. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah. I think so. Well, here it is, guys. It's at least 6 or 7 meters tall, easy here. And it is pitch black. Check it out. I guess for some reason I thought they had lights in here, but nope. I do see light at the end of the tunnel though. Check this out, guys. I'm gonna swing the camera around so you can see we're walking into this huge cavern here. Massive. Wow. Actually, you know what? The Osmo is doing a good job. It can see better than I can right now. Check that out. I don't know how it's doing it, but this thing is massive. Okay, we're gonna turn some extra light on, guys, to see. It's huge. It does just keep going. It's kind of cool. It just keeps going. Well, I think this is one of those tunnels we're going to want to ride through with the headlight. I wouldn't even say that we're actually in the middle yet. Check it out, guys. You can just see architecturally here, just stunning. I mean, the ceiling height of this thing is ridiculous. But super dark. Currently don't have a headlamp, so we will be coming back at some point with that. Very cool. All we have is cell phone and camera light. Massive structure. I'm gonna come in here with good lights. See, there are lights in the ceiling here, eh? Because some of the photos I saw actually had it lit up, but maybe that was just during construction. I'm gonna bring my actual big spotlight up here. Well, guys, there you have it. That's the Adra Tunnel. My first time laying eyes on this beautiful architectural masterpiece. Remember, built in 1913, 1914. I mean, it's just amazing from an engineering standpoint that they were able to actually accomplish this back in the day. I think that's just phenomenal. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this introductory series to the Adra Tunnel. I will be coming back up here at some point with my e-bike, spotlight, headlamp, so we can go all the way through. Seeing as it's over 480 meters, you definitely want to be prepared. It is very dark in there. They're right, a cell phone light will not do you justice, so come prepared. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed another episode of Adam Unpacked. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for following. Cheers.